I'm sitting here in Boston over at the main campus where we just completed a chiller project that services both our data center and our second floor lab. We worked with Columbia Construction on this project, and it really, was a great experience on both ends to see this one go full circle.
Columbia Construction is a construction manager in Massachusetts and New England area. We do a lot in all of the sectors of construction, commercial, and medical, hospitality throughout the area. Columbia Construction was happy to use the 3DEXPERIENCE platform to help manage this project. I thought the program worked well. It was convenient, easy to figure out. We were able to communicate and access with the immediate team members and expand it out as necessary. A big challenge is drawing files, uploads, large files, and we were able to do that quickly during meetings, live, to be able to review them and answer the questions. So we had a challenge where the project phase had to be postponed due to a power outage. We worked around that. The communication was circulated and everybody was notified, and we came up with a rescheduled time and could communicate that out to the team.
Novia Project Planner was really key in the success of this project. We worked very well with Columbia to hit all of our goals.
Project Planner for rescheduling, we could notify the data center, we could notify facilities, we could notify the landlord that gave us access to the site, look at the drawings and explain what tasks needed to be done, what areas we needed to occupy, which areas were going to hear noise, or where they may see people walking through, or where we had to open ceilings to install piping.
We were all able to jump right on it, whether it was a call or just, a reply back to make sure that, everything was, gonna get back on track, and, the day could be, kind of filed out.
So one of my favorite features of the platform was the reminders of tasks that I was assigned, and I could accomplish those and make sure that I was taking care of everything. I could check back and see that they'd been taken care of. Another thing the platform allowed us to do was to upload videos or comments to show. You can get a list of tasks that are completed, but I could also upload videos to show. So you could trust and verify off the platform.
I found the wiki pages was definitely a great feature that allowed us to send out and track our agendas.
Go back in time, you could look at meeting minutes.
Maybe you missed a meeting, but you could go right back on the platform. You could see what, happened last week.
You could look at real conversations, notes, comments, concerns of people that are maybe outside of the immediate team, so you could get instant feedback and concerns of other people and be able to address those.
Just a very user-friendly tool that helped drive this project. We were able to engage with Columbia right from the beginning, bring them into, some new tools that, we were both learning. We were able to hit tight deadlines, kept on budget. Now we're able to look back and really analyze a lot of good data that came from utilizing the tools, so we can, really bring best practices into, future projects, which are right around the corner.